Good day to my future employer. I'm Rosalinda Sabio. I'm 42 years old from Philippines. I'm a single mother of three children. My son is 22 years old and my twin daughters, they are 16 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have experience of working in Lebanon for 12 years. My first 5 years of experience, I've been working as a housekeeper and at the same time taking care of a children who is 3 years old. There are three members of the family, my sir, my mom, and the 3 years old kids. My 3 years more of experience, I've been working as a waitress at a Japanese restaurant. My 4 years of experience, I've been working as a housekeeper and cooking with five members of the family, all are adults. My 2 years more experience was in Argentina. I've been working as a housekeeper and nanny of a 1 year old boy and a 2 months old boy. There are four members of the family. My sir, my mom, and the two boys. There's sir, mom. I'm a hardworking person. I can learn work easily and hope to see you soon to be part of your family. Thank you and God bless.